Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'm going to walk you through how to create new blog on Tumblr. Creating new blogs on Tumblr is a breeze. Here's a step-by-step guide. The first thing you need to do is log into your Tumblr account. The second thing you do is click the downward arrow next to your blog name in the upper right corner of a Tumblr dashboard. We're using a PC for this. Next, create a new blog from the drop-down menu. Select that create a new blog from the drop-down menu option. Next, enter the following information. Choose a catchy and descriptive title that reflects your blog's theme. Then create a unique URL for your blog. If you want to keep your blog private, then create a password. So you need to enter blog title, URL and password. Then the next thing you do is click create blog. Congratulations, you have successfully created another blog on your Tumblr account. You can now switch between your blogs using the drop-down menu and start posting content on your new blog. Let me give you some additional tips. Always choose a theme. Tumblr offers a variety of themes to customize the look and feel of your blog, so choose one. Also, add a description. Always write a brief description of your blog to help visitors understand its purpose. Connect with other Tumblr users by following blogs that share similar interests. Repost blogs, like blogs, and comment on blogs to interact with other Tumblr users. Therefore, engage with the community. Have fun creating and managing your new Tumblr blog. See you in the next video. Bye for now.